Our last application problem is a real-life word problem. Okay, we go to a car rental agency. They're going to charge us $30 a day plus 20 cents a mile. If you rent a car for 4 days and your bill is a total of $150, how many miles did you drive? So, the first thing that we want to do, again, identify what it is that we're trying to find. What are we trying to find? How many miles? Okay, so let's use the letter M. Let M equal miles. Okay, how many miles did I drive? So let's look at setting this up one piece at a time. Always do it one piece at a time. Let's see. It says a car rental agency charges $30 per day. So $30 for every day that you are renting the car. And that's a flat $30 fee. So right now I don't know how many days either. So let's write let D equal days. And we'll fill it in just a minute, okay? So we have $30, and you can drop these zeros off because they're not going to have any kind of effect on our problem. $30 per day. Anytime it says the word per means multiplication. Multiply, okay? So we're going to do $30 per day. So that'll be 30 times D, right? Okay, then look what it says, plus. Plus means add. So we're going to add 20 cents per mile. So 20 cents per mile. That would be 0.2. You can drop that zero off if you want to. Technically, you can drop this zero off too. It really doesn't matter. Per mile. So that means times however many miles I'm going to drive. Okay. Now it says, if you rent a car for 4 days, so 4 days, it actually tells me the number of days I'm going to rent my car. So that can go in place of my D. So I have $30 times 4 because it says I'm renting for 4 days, plus 20 cents times my number of miles. It still hadn't told me how many miles I'm driving yet. And your bill is means what? Equal to, that's right. So equal to $150. So my total bill was $150, and I'm just going to leave those zeros off because they're not going to matter right now. Now I have my whole entire problem. So all I have to do is solve for the number of miles. So to solve for the number of miles, the first thing I want to do is multiply and get rid of those parentheses. So let's do that. 30 times 4, that would be 120, plus 0.2, decimal point 2, is equal to 150. All right, now I have a two-step equation. So again, how do I solve a two-step equation? I'm going to move my 120 over here to the 150 so that I can put my two constants together. So I'm going to subtract that because I do the opposite. And I'm going to get 120 minus 120 is equal to 0. I'm going to bring down, and that means I'm going to bring this over. So I'll have 0.2 times M is equal to 30. And then I'm going to do division. Because division's my last step, I'm going to divide by 0.2 on this side, 0.2 on this side. And over here I get 1M because I want to know how many miles I traveled. On the other side over here, 30 divided by 0.2. You have to remember when you do division by a decimal. We don't like the decimals. So what we have to do, I'm going to come over here and erase this part now so that you can see. I'll erase the words. Okay. So when I erase my words, I have 30 divided by 0.2. So when I'm going to do this, my problem is I can't divide by a decimal. So I have to make my decimal into a whole number. So remember, you're going to move it one place to the right. If you move it one place on the outside, you have to move it one place on the inside. So that makes that 0. So now I'm really dividing. That goes away. And my decimal point moves over there. So I'm really dividing the whole number 2 into the whole number 300. So that's what you're doing. You're going to do division that way. So when I do my division that way, I come up with 150 miles. So over 4 days that I rented my car, I covered 150 miles. And so that is the answer to this question. All right. We've covered a lot of applications, so come back and we're going to do something new.